Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can create charts and graphs in Canva. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So here, this is the updated Canva app 2025. It's like December, so it's like 2020 2026. Okay, so here we at home page you can see some designs, like you can search design, you can search templates, and you can also Canva AI. So in templates you can search for presentation like this. So you can see lots of presentation templates, so you can pick any one, or you can simply go to the create, and here you can see the lots of the design style like presentation, social media, photo editor, and all docs. Also this is a new option, docs, which added in Canva. So we are going to take presentation. Under the presentation you can see the lots of you know page size. So here the by default it is 16:9, which is 1920 into 1080 pixel. Just take it. Now in order to insert the charts or graphs in Canva page or designs, we have two options. First, you can go to the elements and search for charts. Here you can see this chart option, graphics and all under the graphics. Okay, and under the design also you can search for charts, and we have lots of options, like you can take the templates. Okay, this is your templates. Okay, you have to manually edit this. Okay, and this is a layout. Okay, so we have layout also, layouts like the character with some text, and here this is chart. Okay, when you double click on this chart you can see this sidebar. Here you can upload customize this chart. Okay, I will show you later. Okay, so these are layouts you can see. Under the style also you can see, no, under the style we don't have charts. Under the layouts you can have some charts here. You have charts here. Okay, the second thing, the second way to insert the charts in Canva, we need to go in apps, just scroll down and search for charts. Just look for charts. Okay, if you don't find this here, search for here. Okay, charts, and just click, then this chart option will be open. Just click on it. Now you can see the all charts like bar charts, line charts, pie and dotted charts. There is a area chart also. There is a dot chart, scatter charts. There is a bar race charts. Whatever you have, you want, you can select from here. So we are going to simply bar tags, bar chart. Just go to see all. You can see the all style the chart Canva has with the bar charts. So just select that any one. Okay, so you have select this one. Now what you need to do for customization, we need to double click on it. Now this sidebar has been side option bar will be visible to you. Okay, now here under the chart you can simply change chart style from here. Okay, you can simply change chart style or graph style. Here this is the data, this is a customization. Okay, so this is a legend, the axis label, we have data label also, and the stock label. This customization and data is depend on every chart. Okay, so every chart has a different style of customization and all. Okay, here you can add the title of chart. This is subtitle. Okay, we need to minimize this size. Okay, you need, if you close this window by mistakenly, then you need to just double click on it, it will be enabled. Okay, now we have source. Okay, add the source tags. This is the source tags. Okay, this is a link. If you have any link you can add here. This is the x-axis. You can give the name x-axis, which is this one, and the y-axis. Okay, this is a minimum, maximum. This is a maximum, this is a minimum. So I just put the minimum 0 and maximum is 100. Okay, so it will be change. Okay, so reset and increment, whatever. This is another settings. You can, this grill you can disable it or enable it. A top lift tool tips. Okay, the tool tips maybe something you have to don't do this anything with that, just make it as it is, keep it as it is. Okay, you can just enable disable the grill. Okay, under data you can just expand this data table, and here this is your label, this is your series 3. Okay, we have series 1, series 2, series 3 data here. So we have this series 1, series 2, series 3. Okay, this is the labels, item number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can change from here if you want. You can keep here series, and here you can change the series 2, series 2 or series 3. Okay, you can keep any series because we have 3 series here. So you can customize as your requirement. Okay, you can also change the color, like label color, or this is all the name of that x-axis title and y-axis. Okay, after that just go and close it. Okay, you can also export data from your Excel sheet, Google sheet. Okay, you need to just upload the data or go to the Google sheet. You can connect your Google Drive and take your Google sheet from there. So I will show you. I have already connected to the Google Drive, so it is directly show me the Google Drive file. So I have this file here, which is sheet 1. Okay, so here is by default it will be select your data, but you need to select your table like this. Okay, or data. So just select this, which is D3 and E9. Okay, now you just done. Now data, this will be the Excel sheet, sorry, Google sheet will be uploaded, and the data will be connected to the your chart. Okay, and here when you update anything in your Google sheet, you need to just come here and refresh the data, and then the updated data will be updated here. Okay, this is a customization I already showed you. From here you can change that color of chart bar. Okay, in edit section you need to edit the data and customization whatever you want. Here this is padding. Okay, you can increase that padding. This is the column spacing, it will be increased decrease, and this is the corner round column, and you can make it straight. Okay, you can also change the font of this chart font text. Okay, here you can increase the size of the font, you can change the color of font colors. Okay, that is how you can create the charts and graphs in Canva. From here, as I told you, you can change with any chart, but you need to go in customization to check that all setting and titles are proper selected. So that is how you can create chart and graphs in Canva. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.